Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds after a brokerage transfer using ACATS step by step clearly. To withdraw funds after a brokerage transfer using ACATS, begin by ensuring your account at the new brokerage is fully active. Log in to your new brokerage account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transfer or Funds section of the website. Look for an option labeled Withdraw Funds or something similar. Select this option to begin the withdrawal process. Review the available withdrawal methods, such as ACH transfer, check, or wire transfer. Choose your preferred withdrawal method based on your needs. If selecting ACH transfer, enter your bank account details as required. For wire transfers, provide the necessary wiring instructions and your bank information. If opting for a check, ensure you enter the correct mailing address. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw from your account. Review any potential fees associated with the selected withdrawal method. Confirm your withdrawal details to ensure accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request by clicking on the designated button. You should receive a confirmation of your withdrawal request on the screen. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues or delays, contact customer support for assistance. Be aware that processing times can vary depending on the withdrawal method chosen. Once the funds have been transferred, ensure to verify that the amount is accurate. Maintain records of your withdrawal for future reference and tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.